Every child has intelligence, but not every child is taught how to use their brain. At Yaqut Centre for Memory and Excellence, an e-consultant franchisee partner of Bagless India, students are trained using scientific memory systems inspired by year-long research of Bagless India, India's leading brain science institute of Taxway Group in Ajmer, Rajasthan. Here in this center, learning is transformed using mnemonic science, visual memory coding, multisensory brain learning, and structured recall training. Because the human brain is designed to remember images, emotions, patterns, and yes, stories. When student learns using brain science, confidence increases, fear decreases, and performance improves. The future will belong to smart learners, not hard learners. Join Yaqut Center for Excellence, a newly launched memory science center in Guwahati, Assam.